Today we're going to talk about pinches. And I don't mean pinches from your Aunt Martha on the cheek, or a pinch for not wearing green or St. Patrick's Day. We're talking about a pinch of salt, of course. And some people want to know exactly how much is a pinch of salt. Some people can pinch with 2 fingers, some with 3. Most chefs prefer to pinch with 3 fingers. I think you get the best feel for it, and we prefer to use kosher salt. You can feel it a lot better in your fingers than you can with the fine salt, which just kind of flows through too easily and it kind of disperses all over. You have much more control with the kosher salt. So if you see it on a recipe, use your 3 fingers and go with the kosher salt. But take my advice with a grain of salt. That's just my 2 shakes or pinches. Of course, you could always do this kind of pinch. No matter how you pinch your salt, the best thing to do is to throw a little over your shoulder for good luck.